Hello guys, I've been nominated by Radoslav. Chapter 13, War Between Machines and Man. Among other facts, the chapter talks about how machines also need souls to work. Also about how they will take the jobs away from people, and that the newer generation will have to work a ton more to be able to compete with the machines that are available 24/7. Machines that doesn't wish for anything human. Like a nice pair of new shoes or a dinner outside. Well, for this scene I decided to play that I am an artificial intelligence that is trying to improvise movements with a soul that's made up by math and has no presence, and I want to ask you whether you think that machines can take over art or not. Here we go.
So yeah, I could go on and on with this because I found this topic very fascinating. I've spent the whole night watching it videos, people talking about artificial intelligence and how they are taking over, what are they capable of, and this kind of things. So I really wonder if you think that it's possible that at some point they will take over art and dance because they would be able to execute everything perfectly and to the point. But okay, let's go on. So for the next challenge, I chose the chapter from the book that is called Rezervisti za en euro. It starts with a poem, it rhymes, it's cute, it's short, it's useful. And the chapter is talking about many things, mostly about people, how there are two different kinds. That there is one that is on waiting, that is waiting that it will go back to work still and be a useful member of the society, and there are the ones which decide to go down on another path and usually end up in prison, and how the number of people in prison are increasing and how the judges are earning money, so they put people in prison so the prison can function as a good business. And also how people are useless and voiceless in this society, those that are in prison or those that don't work or don't contribute anything to us. So I came up with a comparison between meaningful movements and useless movements, and I would like that the person who will take the challenge is dealing with the poem from the beginning and also use meaningful and meaningless movements. And the person I pick for this is Rada. Enjoy.